Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 6 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, there is a SIM eject tool that we'll need for this, and it comes provided with the device somewhere in the box, so you can find it in there, but you can also use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends. It should work just as well. So from there, I'm going to pop out the tray, which is located, looks like on the left upper side of the device, so right over here, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. So when you push it, you'll see that the tray pops out. And from here, all you need to do is just take it out. And you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. Now I'm only going to occupy 1 SIM. As you can see, make sure that they're laying flush on here. And from there, you want to slide it back into the device. And we should be prompted with the pin for the SIM card soon. There we go. So let's pop that in. So the SIM card is working, as you can see, based on the pin, and SD card should be working as well. If I can quickly show that would be nice. Let's see if they're stored somewhere. So there we go, there's the SD card, as you can see. So both of them are working fine. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.